The World Health Organization has announced a new official name for the coronavirus that has the world on edge. The handle for what the WHO now calls public enemy number one, COVID-19. The new name comes with a call for a more aggressive response to the outbreak.
That's true. And if the world doesn't want to wake up and consider this enemy virus as public enemy number one, I don't think we will learn from our lessons.
The WHO says a new vaccine to combat COVID-19 could still be as much as 18 months away. China's senior medical advisor has expressed confidence nonetheless that the epidemic in China could be over by April. Respiratory scientist Zhong Nanshan said they are hopeful that the virus effects will have peaked from mid to late February and start tapering off from there.
我相信有足够有相应比较多的这个场所有这么多的医生，有比较好的防护的工具以及有这个我们包括部队的支撑的支持，那么武汉的情况应该会比较快的改观。
The number of COVID-19 infections worldwide now exceeds 40,000. Among newly confirmed cases are people on a cruise ship quarantined since last week in Japan. 40 new cases have been confirmed from among the ship's passengers, bringing the total infections of the cruise to 175. Let's take a look at the latest figures on the COVID-19 cases around the world. Riza Diaz is joining us from the newsroom. Riza.
Robbie, we have here the COVID-19 interactive map from Johns Hopkins University, which tracks the spread of the disease in real time. Now, despite the growing number of total cases worldwide, China reported on Wednesday 2,015 cases. That's the smallest number of new cases recorded since January 31st, raising that the outbreak might peak this month and could end perhaps in April. So we're going to check now the total number of confirmed cases. In mainland China, there's already 44,677, and the top countries with the most number of cases would come from Asia. We have in the top 5 Hong Kong with 49, Singapore, Thailand, and South Korea, and also Japan. Now, us here in the Philippines, currently we still have 3 confirmed cases, and countries like Nepal, Cambodia, Belgium, Finland, Sweden, and Sri Lanka all have 1 confirmed case each. Now, this would bring us to the other side of the graph, which would show us, of course, the number of fatalities. Let's move here. As of today, Wednesday, there's a total of 1,116 deaths. Again, all of those, mostly rather, are coming from Hubei, mainland China, where is the epicenter of the outbreak. And other than the ones in China, there's only 2 confirmed deaths, 1 being here in the Philippines and 1 coming from Hong Kong. Now, the total number of recoveries so far would already be at 4,975. That's majority, again, coming from the province of Hubei. Robbie.
Thanks, Riza.